A little something, you know?
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family.
Hey guys, what's up? Wagwan. Yeah man, an exciting day today, isn't it? Yeah man, exciting day, is it? Yeah man, today is Cass' birthday, you know? I was some surprise for her. You know, we carry her and her family them out here. We're in Ochi, isn't it? Or just outside of Ochi. You know, see her there? See her there, see her there, say happy birthday.
Hi.
You see her? Yeah man, happy birthday, Cass. One more time, is it? Yeah man. Yeah.
I'm gonna make her some food.
People in the kitchen are finish up. Them thing. Cass' mother here. She not done working, she can't stop work.
Hi.
Some of the food. Right. Yeah man, some of the food this, you know. I have ribs here stuff. Now I mean some fried chicken. Hey. Yeah. Say sister. Hey. Yeah man. The Shanika, bad breed Shanika. Watch her. Watch her.
I'm so nice.
Hey God.
Where's the bad breed that here?
The next one, yeah?
You rush?
The Cass bro here. The great Paul, you see it?
Big up.
Yeah man. We come out, you know? Come do this, is it?
Sure.
Yeah.
Very special day, you know?
Yeah man, of course.
Yeah man.
Kyrie.
Say hello.
Kyrie, what's going on around here? So,
The ladies them sweet.
very good.
The ladies them sweet, man.
Say hello.
Say hello.
Say hi. Say hi, Kyrie. Say hi. Guys, I'm alone so clip thing him a go on with these days, you know.
I like to see the other two toys them here in the chair.
Oh, you feed him.
Yeah, I'm gonna give him some formula. Ready? Ready?
Like my beans.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had to take
Okay. Alright. I'm gonna come over here, so.
Yeah, we
Right
had
here.
You have him think we make him not mess up, right?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. Yep.
Man,
Carry
can't
a
wait
look
for the
sharp.
buckle.
Harry looks sharp.
Yeah. Kai, tell mommy happy birthday one more time. Say happy birthday, mommy.
Give mommy.
Kai, say happy birthday.
Give mommy a kiss. Mwah.
Yes. All right. Guys, so our birthday falls on the Heroes weekend, isn't it? And today Sunday, you know, so there's no movement, so you know there's not much we could really do. Like we could carry her or whatever. Some say, you know, why am I not just bring her out here so our family them can be, you know, with her. You see me? We're there in a priory. Yeah, we're there in a priory, guys. I go on all a vibe, you see me? Yeah, man. Yeah? You ready now?
Yup, ready?
Well, I line up the cake, you know, sure, you know, so I'm the cake, you know. You see me? Just put a couple on it. Just take one or two and put on it. Or three. Probably three. No. The number is so small again, so. Jaja God. Alright.
there.
Alright. I'm gonna be with it. Come. But I will spoil this. I wanna which part I wouldn't put it. I look for the key. No, see it here. See it here, guys. See it here. Yeah. Careful.
Rest upon it here.
Yeah.
Light it.
Yeah, light it.
We get the light.
But one ensure that them everybody seated. So I go on.
Yeah.
Yeah. She gone. She left the post. So we'll just bring it out, put it on the table. Alright, she know that we'll just bring it out, put it on the table. Just take it out of the box. Yeah. The side them kind of touch, but it look alright still. Lift it out. Yeah. Yeah. She gone. Probably girl them take her away gone somewhere. Oh. Yeah, so they are trying to install her.
You don't like it? Nice. Why? Because you ask for physical school or you online?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't like the online. But yeah, like one
Girl.
shut door.
We're ready.
Ready?
Come.
Girl cake turn up.
Yeah, man. How you like it?
I love it.
Come on.
Come closer now.
Yeah. I'm gonna get this off.
A little something, you know?
Where's Malika to start the birthday song? Go and stand beside.
Sit, Malika. Stand beside auntie.
Yes.
Your auntie can sit.
Sing.
Happy birthday. It says happy
Are you gonna sing happy birthday for auntie?
You're gonna sing happy birthday for mommy?
You ready? Malika will lead us in a happy birthday song.
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's hear it after 2, 1, 2.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Sing, Nakai. Sing.
Happy birthday to
Hold it steady.
May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip, Malika. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Yeah, alright. We get 2 knives now and cut this while the cake
Yeah,
pretty
you
low.
could do.
Yeah. Accident again.
Okay, drop down.
And the fun?
Get what they can, the lighter. Rise up by the lighter.
Auntie, blow the candle.
Not yet. We're gonna light them back and then blow it. So auntie, you're 4-year-old.
Can I tell you?
Whatever,
I'm
piece of the
gonna fire
number.
up some of them there. Want to spray up?
Yeah, I threw everything locked down and
Probably each of
Yeah.
them can them stand for a decade. Some of the 40.
Ratty, that's it.
Or the two with
Yeah, man. So, hold on. Oh. Yeah, she can make that.
Alright, hold it together, right? Okay.
Alright, so let's blow the candle first.
Make a wish. Let's go, Kai. Or you want Kai help you?
It's their first birthday with you.
You must struggle with it. Alright.
Yeah,
Alright, wait, I'm gonna blow the candle first.
Make a wish.
Make a wish, Tanya.
Alright, cut to the baby. Come.
Okay, no more eating off
Yeah,
your
all right.
off of your
Alright,
bowl.
We just do
Ready,
it.
Kind
set.
of in a wall, you know.
Really? Okay, what about one knife? Go on there.
Kaya one life to do.
Of course,
Kaya one life to do.
Go.
Alright. Wait, that. Ooh.
Kai.
Yeah.
Don't be so upset.
Okay. So that's what we're doing. That's something I'm going to do. Rest of things up on the table to eat.
The rice.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Watch and show you how it's done.
I think you want
You're
Sally.
Michelle, I just sent to eat dinner.
Just want the taste piece.
I want dinner.
Alright, I'm gonna take a piece of that now. Alright.
We're not trying to.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, piece now.
Boy, that cake is tall, bro.
Yeah, man, it's tall. Dale yo.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Try it, bro.
It's good.
Buzzle, man. Nice.
Are you hearing Kai? He's like,
Kai one piece too, so I put another Kai more.
watch out.
I walk one.
He want for the plate, you know what I'm saying?
No.
He want for the plate and he's like, what's up?
Jawan.
What's up, food enough?
You're making me drop.
Alright.
Me?
Put on this one now.
Until, yeah.
I'm bringing it.
No. See. No. You.
I'm ready for my food.
Locks, you guys really outdo yourself. Notice. They might go on with themselves, please.
And if you have a seat, it's your birthday, you can have a seat. I'll serve
You
you.
want my
You guys are going to eat relationship.
Nah, I need to do
You know, say Kaya go out some of these, don't it?
Bless you, Kai. Kai, we don't really appreciate that. I eat that, Kai.
You see Kaya, I'm waiting to go for your food share out.
Yeah, man, you want to see it.
Yeah. Can't wait for the guinea now, you know. You see it? Yeah, man, looking good. Every time when a cat's birthday come like a my birthday too, you know, yo, me just feel good, you see it? Yeah, man. The birthday again, you know?
Thank you,
Yeah, man.
Oh, no, cut it small.
So now to the people, what is it that you know have for the menu and thing?
Yeah, so them deal with some ribs, some fried chicken, you know, mash, some okay, that was the garden salad, you know, Carlos?
It's just salad.
Yeah. I know the rice and peas. You know, you never have a typical Jamaican setting with the rice and peas, you know? Yeah, man.
So thank you guys.
Thanks to Chef Blossom. Blossom, any special shout out for the dishes? Anybody help you? Who help you?
Well, thanks to Vivian, big sister, and to Rochelle, Rashim, sister-in-law.
Yeah.
They all went out along with myself.
Alright. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright, hold on, ask again. What you say, go on?
No more for no, we're gonna eat the cake.
Okay.
Because I next to the cake and I was looking at it like, okay, so I'm not getting a cake for birthday, but
Why you want to know where the cake was hidden? We need to hide the cake again one next
Exactly.
You're being served birthday
hide the cake.
We smuggle a cake from town, you know.
I'm
From town we smuggle a cake, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yo, when they say yo, you're gonna make them drive our car. You're gonna make them drive your car like oh your car get problem, we say yes, thank God. We say alright, no problem.
Easy way from home.
There you go.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ooh.
That's ready for eat.
Hey, them are going with things, you know, people.
Yeah, man, this look good. This look
But they're
good.
shot. Them are going with things.
Like it.
But hey,
Shall
hey,
we
hey,
so far?
Hey, dish up my dinner.
More my dinner, share the food.
10% food, rice and peas, and then come back here.
So when nobody can
So thank you guys very much. I really appreciate it. You know, the surprise
Yeah?
and the efforts going into being here with me on my birthday.
Yeah.
I really appreciate it.
There's no place we'd rather be.
Exactly. No place I'd rather be.
Hold on, can we draft that off my plate?
Carry one food each, alright?
We all give him.
Probably I can give him mash.
Yeah, can try to give him some of the
I
mash.
give him mash.
But in there, he mash earlier.
He
But
was eating mash earlier, yeah.
Yeah.
But draw the plate, you know? Open mouth, you know?
Yes.
Because him seat a come from the plate, you know?
yes.
If it a come from film plate, he's like, I'm not.
I'm not sure.
Put that one there. Yeah.
If it a come from my plate, so he's like, alright, I'ma eat it.
Adrian, ready for you,
But
right?
yeah.
Yeah, man. Dish me out, you know? Yeah.
Look, man, I go on with things. You want rice?
God.
Okay. That must not be a table. That must. When you bang up
I'll carry both of you eat, you know?
And in both
Carry your both of you eat.
So Adrian, on your blossom?
Yeah, man. Just load it up. Load it up, man.
So I'm going
You ready? You ready?
Yeah, man, ready for dive in, like, man. Ready for dive in, man.
Why you like that to me?
Renee, the owner should not say much, you know. Watch out, guys.
Thank you, boo.
Watch them. You think it is done? Happy birthday again, is it?
Thank you, baby.
Yeah. Go on, take a selfie. Yeah,
You
man.
know I'm gonna take selfie with this, right?
Yeah.
What did you see we were What
Thank you, baby.
Yeah, man. So out there, all a vibe, you know. You know? All a vibe. All a vibe.
Him can scream third out, you know?
Kyrie? When must I take a chain? Watch him. Watch him.
Yeah, let's go.
Kyrie. Yes.
Hi. Hello.
What an open mouth you have.
Hey, like a surprise face.
Surprise face.
Time wants it now.
You're coming for it.
I'm here calling you.
See mommy there? Go to mommy. Go to mommy. Go on. It's a jar, you know? The best way, you see it? Best way. Yeah, man. Ends out with family and thing, you know? Yup.
I really appreciate it. The rose?
That one really surprised you, though.
I appreciate the entire weekend. You know, agents, you know, I really don't know what to get you. If I get you something material, you know? But I know that you really would appreciate being around the family. So,
Yeah,
I
man.
appreciate that.
Alright.
Because, to be honest, you know, I was telling you this morning that there would be no possible time ever that I would have had all of you guys in one place, going to bed and waking up. It's true. Because when you guys like, you know, probably separate times,
Yeah.
but all together, you wouldn't have been there. So I
Kai,
appreciate
mind it.
Alright.
it. I appreciate it.
Alright, so.
Go on, run the story.
So when Adrian called me, Adrian called and I said, if I know nobody we can bake a cake for him, I want a cake for my wife's birthday. So I said, no, I don't know nobody. But want to the girl that can use. Him said the same girl can use. So him said the girl gone a foreign. I don't know nobody. So hear me to Adrian now. What would just buy a regular little Black Forest cake or something up a price smart?
Lord God.
Adrian said no. Him can't buy that. For him wife. Him have to get a proper birthday cake. So me and I don't know what to do then. Buy the cake from one different place and have to be price smart. Let's buy a regular cake. Adrian said no, him wife never yet buy my regular cake. Him can't buy a regular cake, him wife.
Was that true? Yo.
No, like when Adrian said to me, no, me, you know, something say,
Yeah,
it's
man.
just a cake. But it's not just a cake for him.
No regular
It's
thing
not
around
just a
here.
cake.
No regular
Me
thing.
I say it's just a cake, but it's not just a cake.
Yeah, just a cake, man.
Adrian said him cannot buy
The
that.
pretty color and everything, you see me? Nice taste, everything, you see it?
Yeah,
So you
the
got-
cake
Adrian.
itself.
It have to be
different.
special.
So we on that.
What him do?
Adrian.
What him do?
Come, come, Adrian.
Video that's over there.
Oh, where did I That's him. Oh, God. Remember the first cake you buy give me, you know, man. Yo, that cake there, the first cake, come like a World Cup feeling, you know, man. What? Ball and grass and man in a Manu jersey and them things, you know. I said, yo, Jalo, I walk in a girl list.
She make sure I represent for the side.
Me I say, where the girl that come from? Jana, yo.
No.
We never forget, man.
No, I see what you say, you know?
Exactly.
Yeah.
I don't know one birthday you need several birthdays, so nice cake. I mean, I said, Jaja, yo, like. So we have to get a nice cake.
No, I think last
Maybe
year
I'm
really
first
nice
have
cake,
this
though.
challenge.
Yeah.
Last year I was back
Really
here.
nice. Are you the back cake last
I
year?
was back here last
Oh yeah. When you come here, the cake and Prego.
Oh,
Yeah, Prego with the surprise actually.
oh, that's true. They
Yeah.
bomb rushed me at my house last year.
Yes. That's
But
turn up our
actually, you know,
house.
like the first time, his first birthday, like every year, you have to try and do it again.
Yeah.
And it's just like,
I give one, sis.
It's broke out already, man.
yeah.
Yeah, man.
But I do appreciate this cake, and it tastes nice.
Yeah, it
I
is.
know I'm
It's
gonna
nice.
taste
It's
it, I'm gonna
nice.
see- Give me a piece, huh? Wanna give me a piece?